Hello dears, good morning. Class 8th CBSE RBSE schools. Your topic is on progress preposition. In previous class we have studied by preposition and on preposition, and today we will study over use of over. If a thing or a person is on a thing or person vertically without touching, then we use our preposition. We will talk a little in Hindi. प्यारे बच्चों, जब कोई वस्तु या व्यक्ति किसी दूसरी वस्तु या व्यक्ति के ऊपर लंबवत अवस्था में हो, सीध में ऊपर हो, टच नहीं कर रही हो, तो किसका प्रयोग करते हैं? ओवर का. ओके, द यूजेज ऑफ ओवर. इफ ए पर्सन और थिंग इज over a person or thing without touching vertically, then we use our preposition. Okay dear students, if a person or a thing is over a person or a thing vertically, means mane the piece of chalk, but in this condition we use on preposition. On preposition because my hand and piece of chalk are touching with each other. But my dear students, if we use our preposition, then in this condition we use our preposition. On preposition and our preposition means to say the fan is over my head and above my head. The fan is over my head because it is over my head vertically. And if I say that fan is above my head, not over, because that fan is not vertically over my head, that fan is horizontally above my head. So in that condition we use our preposition, but vertically without touching we use our preposition. To cover a person or thing completely, a thing or person connects two poles or two banks, two ways, to finish work or time. In these conditions we use this preposition, to finish work or time. Okay, these are some uses of our preposition, and here we will take some examples. Examples are, first example is our. There is an umbrella over my head. Dear students, these topics are completely in English, because especially these classes are for the students who belong to English medium. But the students who want to study, whether they belong to English medium or Hindi medium, can watch these classes. Here I will tell you, if a person, man or woman, or a thing is over a person or thing, man or woman or a thing is over vertically without touching, then we use our preposition. Dear students, here umbrella is over my head. We hold an umbrella like the way over the head without touching. We do not catch an umbrella like the way. This is umbrella. Imagine this is an umbrella. Like the way, we do not catch an umbrella. If like the way we catch, then we use our preposition. But we catch umbrella like the way, over our head. So we use our preposition without touching. And the second is to cover a person or thing completely. I say, please spread the cloth or bed sheet over the table. Spread means completely cover. प्यारे बच्चों, थोड़ा हिंदी में, यदि आप कहते हो किसी बेड शीट को टेबल के ऊपर फैलाने के लिए कहा गया है, कंप्लीटली ढकने के लिए कहा गया है, तो वहां किसका प्रयोग करते हैं बताइए? ओवर का, क्योंकि बेड शीट ने उस टेबल को पूरी तरह से क्या कर लिया? ढक लिया है। आप चेहरे पे क्रीम लगाते हैं तो वहां किसका प्रयोग करेंगे? ओवर का प्रयोग करेंगे, ऑन का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे। आपने क्रीम ली और कहीं यहाँ कहीं लगा लिया, एक जगह लगा लिया आपने, 2 जगह लगा लिया बस, तो वहां ऑन का प्रयोग करेंगे। लेकिन पूरे चेहरे पर आप लगा रहे हो तो वहां ओवर का प्रयोग करते हैं। किसी घाव में ऑइंटमेंट लगाते हैं, मल्लम लगाते हैं, तो वो भी ऐसे थोड़ा लगाते हैं, एक जगह लगा दिया, वो भी चारों ओर उसको मल करके लगाते हैं। सो वी यूज टू कवर ए पर्सन और थिंग कंप्लीटली, वी यूज our preposition, my dear students. Second is he apply the ointment over the wound. Okay, a thing or a person connect two poles. Sorry, TWO. Two poles. These are 2 poles, and I put here something, mane, these are 2 poles, this pole and this pole, and I put here something like the way, over, not on this pole and this pole, and I put a beam like the way. We use over, not on. Touching, but not, we will not use on preposition. We will use over because two poles connected, two ways. We say there is a bridge over the river. Bridge is on the edge and on that edge. I say there is a stone piece over the gate because the stone piece is touching on this edge and on that edge. There is a beam over the walls. There is a girder over the walls. We use over prepositions. So, my dear students, we write here there is a bridge over the river. And last, to finish work or time, please stop teaching. Time is over. Time is over. Please stop teaching. Time is over. Like the way we will take this class, my dear students, you think completely. To cover completely, we use this preposition. Okay? I take here a sentence. Please spread the bed sheet over the table. This is your preposition over money, over completely cover. Here we use over means vertically over, wound, over river. Time is over. Like the way we use our preposition. Okay, dear students, I think copy the sentences from the blackboard. I hope you are getting well these sentences and preposition. My dear students, these are some preposition over, above, by, in, into. These prepositions take much time to learn, but next prepositions like of, with, without, during, among, between, to, for, these prepositions do not take much time to learn or to teach. Okay, students, I think you have copied all the sentences from the blackboard. With these words, I finish my class. I think you are very well at your home and your study is going well. Okay? Thanks.